हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे चार डिसीजन मेकिंग स्टेटमेंट्स: इफ स्टेटमेंट, इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट, नेस्टेड इफ स्टेटमेंट एंड मल्टीपल इफ स्टेटमेंट्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो इफ स्टेटमेंट का सिंटैक्स ऐसे रहता है: इफ कंडीशन इज ट्रू, देन द कोड ऑफ दैट ब्लॉक विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. इफ द कंडीशन इज फॉल्स, देन इट वोंट बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. So let's understand it with an example. So we will have an example. Number is equal to 10. If number is greater than 5, print number is greater than 5. Number is 10. So let's run this. Number is greater than 5, number is 10. So this block was executed because this condition was true. Let's make it false and we'll run it. So the number is 10. So we'll look at second if else statement. Second statement, keep this as it is. We'll just write here else. And we'll print it. Number is greater than 5. So this condition was false. So the else part was executed. Moving towards the third nested if statement. So the syntax for that is somewhat similar to if else. ये हम पूरा निकाल देते हैं. We'll write here. So we'll have an example of roller coaster. Age is equal to input. What is your age? Then we'll have second input from user, that is height, is equal to int. What is your height? So now we'll have the condition checking. If height is greater than 120, you can have a ride. Else, so inside the if statement, we'll have other nested if else. So this is what nested if else is. If age is greater than 18, print you will have to pay $10. Else, if the age is not greater than 18, you will have to pay $5. So we'll run this code. So what is your age? We'll write here 20. What is your height? We'll write here random height 180. You can have a ride, you will have to pay $10. So we'll run this again with the different input. So what is your age? We'll write here 20. What is your height? 110. You cannot have a ride as you are too short. So this is the output. Even if the age is less than 18, we'll check that too. 17, 130. You can have a ride, you will have to pay $5. So this is what the nested if else is. having if else inside other if else. So moving towards the next decision making statement, that is multiple if statement. So there are two types, we can say, multiple if and if elif. So the difference between two is, in if elif any one will be executed, whereas in multiple if all would be executed. We'll have an example where we can see the difference. Number is equal to 20 if number is greater than 10, 20, 10, number is greater than 10. So here number is greater than 10, number is greater than 15. So these both conditions were true. That's the reason why both blocks were executed. But in elif, we'll write here elif and we'll run this again. So here this is the difference, where any one will be executed from this both. Even though both are true, any one will be executed. So why this is printing, why this is being executed? Because this is first and this is the second. So obviously it will print the first code of block. So this is all about the decision making statements. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to like.